You must see this red two-door 1997 Ford F-150 Lariat. This vehicle is powered by a V8 4.6L engine with an automatic transmission and 4WD. We priced this Ford F-150 to sell quickly. You will find that this vehicle is loaded with options like a bed liner, a chrome front bumper, a chrome rear step bumper with 5,000 tow rating, color-keyed wheel openings moldings, a color-keyed grille headlamp surround, color-keyed body side moldings, bed rail tailgate moldings, fog lamps, a high-mounted stop light with cargo box light and dual PWR aero mirrors with color-keyed caps. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. With the 8-cylinder engine, you'll have an adrenaline rush when you fire up the engine. Hear it roar. Make your offer today.